If you own a convertible or you are about to buy one, take my advice, something I wish I did right when I got it, and that is to put in new seat covers. This is my beautiful Mini Cooper, except look at this wear. Convertibles take a lot more sun damage than most cars, and so you want to put seat covers on. I've gone through a number of different seat covers, and now I'm trying this one. It came highly recommended. They're pricey. It's the CoverKing brand. This is not a sponsored video, but there is a link in the description of where you can pick these up. And install went smoothly. They came with this whole install kit. Some of the tools I used, some I didn't, but they also have the airbag side pocket areas to allow the airbag in the seats to deploy. Some seat covers don't have this, so that's a value on the CoverKing brand. It also comes with this non-slip material that you put between your seat and the cover, and that prevents it from sliding around. It just gives it a better fit. Now it also has this tuck and push tool. I didn't need it for mine, but I can see in some cars that you would need it depending on how tight the fit is. But this is the finished result. It looks good. Here's that side pocket that I was telling you about for the airbag. So I will be doing a follow-up video in about a year's time to show you how these seat covers held up. But let me know in the comment section below if there's a seat cover brand that you prefer. And if you want more videos about Mini Coopers, convertibles, and car repair, click the subscribe button and give this a like. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.